Hey everybody, today I'm going to be picking this Stanley 24/7 uh, long shackle padlock. It has a little weatherproofing deal. Seal it up there. Let me show you it works with the key. Here's the bitting. It's rated 4 out of 6 on security rating. That's about it. I'm going to be using a tulip tension wrench and a snake rake for this one. Use the tulip tension wrench to get around this weatherproof. You can see a little lip, so it's kind of sunk in there. There it is. Guess that's about it, and thanks for watching. And good luck with your picking.